Miro can be a powerful resource when we navigate the process of OKR planning. Let's explore how in this video. Along the way, we'll see how to easily organize our Miro board to guide the conversation, ensure a meaningful and focused collaboration, and wrap up effectively to set us up for success. Let's jump right in. We'll add Miro's OKR planning template to our board. This template is a great starting point. We can already see that there are certain areas designed for presenting information and others for collaboration. Miro empowers us to easily structure this space as we need. We'll start by building out a presentation around the key topics to set the right context. This can be in the form of anything from simple text to tables, diagrams, videos, or embedded artifacts. This space is for us to highlight key pieces of information, like company priorities, our key metrics, or our team's mission. We could also reference our past experiences and outcomes so that the team can take those learnings into our reflection. Then, we might want to tailor other parts of the template to best fit our team. For example, we might want to define some broad topics that the team must focus on ahead of time. These topics will set some guardrails for our discussion. Or we might adjust the breakout areas to better suit our team. In short, we'll put in place everything we need to bring clarity and guide the conversation in the right direction. And with that, we're ready to invite our team and start our planning session. After taking the team through a quick icebreaker, we'll dive into our presentation. We'll guide participants to follow us as we move around the board. This means they go where we go and see what we see. This breaks down the wall between presenter and attendee. They aren't just watching a presentation, they are now along for the journey. The moment we're ready to shift from presentation to collaboration, the participants will simply click anywhere on the board to stop following us. They will then use stickies to add their thoughts, ask questions, or share feedback as they work together and have discussions. They'll draft objectives and key results in their breakout groups before sharing them with the rest of the team. We'll use the timer as we move through the activities to stay on track and make the best use of our time together. If at any point our participants need to refer back to the key information shared at the beginning, they'll just make a quick visit to the presentation frames. This is one of Miro's strengths when it comes to strategic activities like OKR planning. The top-down sharing of information and the bottom-up collaboration all stays within the same space. This empowers us to drive collaboration conversations in our team without ever losing sight of the bigger picture that is guiding us. Once we have our OKRs ready, we can take the final few moments of the session to look to the future. We'll identify concrete steps to move us towards our OKRs and prepare for challenges we might face along the way. This will be our roadmap to success. With that, we're at the end of our OKR planning session. The great thing is, this board is a record of our planning process. If we ever lose sight of the why as we work towards our OKRs, we can always look back at this board to remind ourselves.